Welcome to Living Large Camping. We're Connor, Amelia, and Barkley, and this week we meet up with family to explore the town of Pagosa Springs, Colorado. Stay tuned to see the worst bug bites we've ever experienced and spend some quality time catching up. Hope you enjoy.
Cheers!
Cheers. Time to fish. All right, guys, we have arrived here in Pagosa Springs, Colorado, and we are camping with my dad and stepmom in their NuCamp Cirrus 920. We're gonna be with them for about 10 days, and it's just gonna be a really fun adventure. So I can't wait to introduce you to them and just bring you along as we get to spend some good quality time with my parents here and just enjoy these river views and everything that this southern part of Colorado has to offer. Good boy.
Alright guys, at our campsite last night, the mosquitoes were crazy and they obviously attacked.
Yeah, I was wearing a long sleeve shirt and just didn't really feel them on my back at all. And usually I'm in bed before Amelia gets in, and she walked in and she was like freaking out. I didn't understand what it was about, and then I saw my back, and yeah, thankfully they haven't really started itching yet.
They looked worse last night, but holy crap, you can see where every single little bite was taken. So
Perks of living in a camper. Oh. All right, guys. Well, we are exhausted. It was a great day just catching up with them, and I think it's going to be a really fun adventure here the next couple days. So we're going to go ahead and call it a night, finish one of our episodes of a TV show.
yay!
And then we'll see you in the morning for coffee.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Let go, rain. It's not your song to sing no more. Goodbye, blame.
Hey, don't be on that. Nope, nope, nope.
Weights can lift you up.
Cozy back there?
You can find a way to drop.
There's a lot of room.
Can you feel the wind? Say you do, it's how it all begins. Then comes reason, then purpose. Well, you will find your way. In the meantime, may the sun bless you with its rays. It's how we learn. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. Every single turn, don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. You can ask spring how it is when the buds are bursting. You can watch the birds when they fly across the world. Weights can't lift you up. You can find a way to drop them. When the new ones weigh you down, you'll be on top of them. Oh, don't mind the fall. Break down when it burns, please. Don't be concerned. 'Cause it's how we learn. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. Every single turn, don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt, just has to hurt. It's how we learn. Don't be concerned. It has to hurt. It's every single turn. Don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt. It has to hurt. I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. You know that I'm taking myself back in the game. Someone said you knew how to turn.
I would expect it to be fixed, considering.
Thanks for my food.
Quesadilla time.
Our camper doesn't do that.
Well, we are eating dinner inside my dad's camper tonight because it is incredibly windy outside. So we're making quesadillas in here and just enjoying some company. So
Yeah, we're glad the kids came over for dinner. It's awesome.
we got, you know, the neighbors over there are a little crazy. It looks delicious and we're just excited to be here. What do you think about having a dinette?
Wow, it's very spacious. Swivels and all.
The seats are not ultra comfortable.
Some of them may be a
Yeah, the ones that are missing is because they didn't work.
Mmm.
And promises superior performance over longer.
Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. Please skip the small talk, 'cause you know me better than I know myself.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as
Almost time to go to our next spot.
long as I'm able. 'Cause 7 months is under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I'll do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own.
Hey,
No
Maxie.
matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Uh-huh. But you're close to all now.
Thank you for joining us as we met up with family and spent a couple nights in Pagosa Springs, Colorado. Join us next week as we finally put our fishing license to use and get to spend some quality time on the water. We'll see you then.